Welcome to 724 Fountain Lake Road. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a covered front porch, fenced backyard with patio and shed, and laminate hardwood flooring inside. Sits on a cul-de-sac street in the Fountain Lake subdivision in Southeast Columbia, convenient to Garners Ferry Road, Fort Jackson, I-77, and a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So we're outside the front here. You can see you have some nice landscaping out front. There's a 2-car wide driveway and a nice wraparound front porch here. As we enter, step into the open floor plan main living area. You can see you have some nice laminate hardwood flooring throughout the living, dining, and kitchen there, and it goes on down the hall as well. Vaulted ceilings throughout this area. You have a ceiling fans pretty much throughout the home in most of the bedrooms as of right now. You have a coat closet off the entry there. And you can see good size open floor plan. Dining areas here. Lots of windows letting in natural light. And then you have the kitchen. You do have a counter bar on this side as well. You can put some stools, also a pantry here. Included appliances here, side-by-side refrigerator in stainless steel. There's a smooth top electric range and a dishwasher. There are also wood cabinets, and you do have the high ceilings continuing into the kitchen. Sliding glass door lets you out to the backyard. So out back you have an oversized patio back here, and then a fenced backyard. And then you do have a shed out in the back corner there as well, or it could be also be used as a workshop. So coming back in, 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths in the home. One down the hall. And sort of a split plan here. Bedrooms this way, but we'll go to the left first and take a look at the master suite, which is a very nice size. You can see ceiling fan in here, corner windows out to the back of the home. You do have a walk-in closet right next to your full bathroom, tile flooring. You have a single vanity and a garden tub and shower. And then back out, 2nd bedroom here on the side of the home, the ceiling fan as well. You have a closet with sliding doors there. You have a 2nd full bathroom with a tile flooring, single vanity, pretty similar setup to the master, except this tub, which is a standard tub, not a garden. And then you have the single vanity, the strip lighting above there. Then in the hall, some additional linen closet space here. Another coat closet on the back side. The other side of the hall here. Another coat closet, so plenty of storage in this home. Then you have your laundry room as well. It does have a door that closes it off, so it's a very nice size. Has some shelving built in and even a window out to the front porch. And then last but not least, your 3rd bedroom. This one faces the front of the house. You can see there's some attic access there, and then a similar closet to what you had in the 2nd bedroom. So that completes our tour of this home, 724 Fountain Lake Road in Southeast Columbia. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.